Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, sir. Which concept you are going to learn today?
Indian numeral system.
Yes. Shall we start the concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the material we are using now? Indian place value chart. Yes. Children, keep your chart down. Yes. Now in this chart, what are the last three places? Ones, tens and hundred. That means we have to keep only after three places, comma. After three places we have a line, no? Yes. We have to keep comma after three places. After three, next how many are there? Two places. What are the two places? Yes, thousands and 10,000. After thousands and 10,000 we have to keep one more comma. Next, how many places we have? Two places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. After that, how many places we have? Two places. What are the two places? Crores and 10 crores. Now, for example, here we have one question. 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 8. Now here, what are the numbers we have last three places? 178. Now mark 178 in your place value chart with pen. Mark 178. After 178 we have one line. Yes. There we have to keep what? Comma. Yes. Yeah, after 178, next place is what? 1 and 6. Now mark the 1 and 6 in your Indian place value chart. Yes, next, which numbers we have? 5. 5 is in which place we have to mark? 1's place, that is in which period? Lakhs period. Mark 1 in lakhs period. 5. Mark 5 in lakhs period. Over. Yes. Now, together everyone, read this place value. Children, did you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Thank you, children.